Witness the dawn of harvest.
Skilled hands meticulously select each watermelon for peak ripeness.
Careful with that one, it's ripe.
Okay, I'm right behind you.
Freshly harvested watermelons begin their journey to the processing facility.
Freshly harvested watermelons arrive, ready for their journey through the state-of-the-art facility. The gentle hydraulic tip begins the journey, carefully releasing fresh watermelons into purified water for cleaning. High-pressure water jets meticulously clean each rind, ensuring pristine quality. Emerging from their cleansing, each watermelon begins a journey of meticulous inspection.
Skilled American workers diligently ensure only the finest watermelons proceed.
Only perfect, pristine watermelons advance to the next stage. Our expert team ensures every watermelon meets the highest standards from the very start.
Look at this spot right here. Yeah, I see it. Get rid of that one.
Advanced laser technology precisely measures each watermelon, ensuring consistent quality.
Precision scanning identifies each watermelon, preparing them for tailored processing. A razor-sharp blade descends with surgical accuracy, initiating the cut.
The newly cut halves are gently moved along the conveyor for further processing.
Our skilled teams meticulously inspect each watermelon, ensuring only the finest quality moves forward.
Any imperfection is swiftly identified and removed, maintaining our unwavering quality standards.
Our advanced robotics ensure maximum yield with unparalleled precision. Precisely engineered screens allow the seeds to fall through without harming the delicate watermelon flesh.
Below, a steady stream of separated black seeds is collected, ready for proper disposal.
The now seedless watermelon pulp smoothly exits the drum, ready for the next stage.
Pressure builds slowly, extracting pure watermelon juice without any heat.